Hi everyone, I'm Lady. Welcome to La Cosedora nail art. Today we will be doing this stunning design with gradient effect using only nail art stencils. So let's do it. I will only use two colors, this mint or light blue and this purple. I love this kind of nail polishes because they have a tan-free formula, making them good for the health of our nails. Of course, we are going to use my sweet pillow. It will help us clean our design easier and faster. Now, with a little sponge, apply purple on the right and the left sides of the sponge. Then apply blue on the middle. Make the gradient effect with soft touches and repeat the process applying more nail polish if needed. It depends on the intensity of the color you desire. Then, take the latex barrier off. Thanks to this product, the cleaning process is much better. Now, let me show you our La Cosedora 601 nail art stencils. As you can see, with this collection you get lines and curves of all kinds, from crazy Aztecish designs to classic French tip. The fun part starts now, as today I will be using and combining them all, playing around with the different patterns available to create a beautiful design. How to use the nail art stencils? First, your base coat must be completely dry. Then you apply your stencils by firmly pressing down. Guys, the only limit is your creativity. You can achieve amazing designs by moving around the stencils and using different colors combinations. I love these step-by-step stencils. They are very helpful if you want to make tribal or geometric designs. Here is a curious tip. These nail art stencils are reusable. You will see that after I use them, I simply put them back on the white paper and they are ready to be used up to 4 times. Your sponge can be reused too. Just cut in the dirty part and continue with your creation. Well, for the next part of our design, we are going to do a gradient effect again. We will switch nail polishes orders. Purple on the middle and blue on the sides. Push the sponge until it covers completely. Remove the stencil immediately, but be careful, do it gently. Wow, look at that effect! People could think that it is decals or stickers, but it's not, just stencils and your creativity. It's pretty simple, you just need to be a bit patient. This is how you have to place your stencils back on the special sheet, so you can use them again later. Last, seal the design with your favorite top coat. I personally use matte because I think it looks better. And here is the design. It looks hard to do, but it really isn't. If you like this tutorial, please do it and send me your designs on Facebook or Instagram. I would love to see them. Also, our products are available on Amazon. I will leave the link on the description below. Visit us. Thanks and see you the next time. Bye!